About your train track that you built?
Yeah. This long thing makes it easier to get onto this switchway. Yeah. And this is one of the crazy way things. And this is another switchway that leads to the tunnel. And this is the ding ding, and this is the huge mountain. And this is the train fixer. And that's it.
And is it the best train track you've ever built?
Yeah. And I didn't explain the turntable. Turntable can turn the train any way.
Yeah? And what do you call this train track?
I call it the Great Train Track Mystery.
Oh.
Because
And what did you just call it before? You called it a...
masterpiece.
Your masterpiece?
Yeah, but that's the real name. Because it was a mystery to make this go all the way around here. That was the mystery.
Oh, but you figured it out.
Mystery solved.
Well, who helped you solve it?
You.
Yeah.
The end.
But it was your idea.
Yeah.
Okay,
That's
thank
it
you.
for today.